Down. Stay.
Stay.
All the way to the butt too, man. Thank you. Stay.
Stay.
And everyone release your pups.
Okay.
She's like, hold on, no one's smelling. He's like, oh yeah, dude, I remember we were buddies too. These two are great friends. No one can resist Chelsea. What do you think, Chelsea? Maybe play a Luna. Look who's trying to get your attention.
This is good.
They're so cute.
Okay, so we're just gonna start out with just asking our dogs for a touch. So you're gonna say their name, give your touch cue, mark, treat, and let them go back to play. So it'll be Dean, touch. Yes. Okay, go play. Just getting a little flash of attention when you're in this really distracted habit.
Luna, touch.
Chelsea, touch.
Yes.
Very good.
Joey, touch.
Very good. Do you want to have that treat quick?
Dean,
Quick. You're so
touch.
fast.
Dean, touch. Luna, touch.
Oh, good boy, Dean. You did it.
My knee got taken out last